Here is video about how to use LinkedIn wisely. Introduction. Begin by explaining the purpose of LinkedIn and its benefits as a professional networking platform. Discuss how it can help individuals connect with industry leaders, potential employers, and colleagues to build their professional network. Building a strong profile. Highlight the importance of building a strong profile on LinkedIn. Provide tips for creating an effective headline, summary, and work experience section. Optimizing your profile for search. Explain how to optimize your profile for search, including how to use keywords, select the right skills, and list relevant accomplishments. Building connections. Discuss the importance of building connections on LinkedIn and provide tips for finding and connecting with relevant people on the platform. Engaging in groups. Explain the value of engaging in groups on LinkedIn, including the ability to network with like-minded professionals and stay informed about industry trends and developments. Building your personal brand. Explain the importance of creating a personal brand on LinkedIn, including how to use content marketing to showcase your skills and expertise. Advanced LinkedIn features. Explain some of the advanced features of LinkedIn, like Sales Navigator, Recruiter Lite, and LinkedIn Learning. Conclusion. Sum up the main points of the video and encourage viewers to make use of the tips discussed to improve their LinkedIn presence and open up new opportunities for career advancement and networking. Call to action. Invite viewers to connect with you on LinkedIn to continue the discussion and explore new opportunities together.